Special trick to make the potatoes crispy. I'll start our recipe by cutting 3 potatoes. Let's cut them into very thin slices, just like I'm doing. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. Everyone will love it. Now let's transfer them to a bowl and add a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then fill with water until covered. We'll also add a cup of ice. Done this, with the help of a colander, we will remove all the liquid from the potatoes. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Perlena Popa from Libreville. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now, using a piece of paper towel, I will ensure that the potatoes are well dried. In a container, I will sift a cup of wheat flour and also a cup of cornstarch. People, is this mixture that we are making that will ensure that our recipe is very crispy and delicious. Using a spoon, we will mix well. I'll add the potatoes into the bowl with the mixture we just made, and using your hands, move to jam them. I have no doubt that will enter into your routine, just as entered into mine. I'll transfer them into a sieve. My family loves it when I do it. Even my friends have asked me to teach this recipe. We will stir well to remove the excess of the mixture we use to jam them. I doubt you've ever made a recipe like this before. Now let's add some oil inside a pan. When the oil is hot, I will add the potatoes and let them fry. After I learned how to make this recipe, I never wanted to eat otherwise, because the result is really surprising. It is a delight. You will be amazed at the result of this recipe. When you get to this point, we can pull them out of the pot. Look how pretty they look, and you won't believe how tasty they are. I love it because they're so easy to make. With a few everyday ingredients, we can make amazing potatoes, perfect for a differentiated afternoon coffee or a quick snack in the middle of the night. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. I'm eating with a little ketchup, but you can use other side dishes. Do to receive your friends or your family at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.